KuCoin Wallet Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my full review of the KuCoin Wallet. Links to the product are included in the description, so feel free to check them out after watching. In this video, I'll dive into its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who this wallet is best suited for, so you can make an informed decision. KuCoin Wallet is the official non-custodial crypto wallet developed by KuCoin, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. It supports a wide range of assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of ERC20 and BEP20 tokens, along with integration for NFTs on Ethereum. As a non-custodial wallet, it ensures you retain full control over your private keys, emphasizing security and decentralization. The wallet is available as a mobile app, making it accessible for users on the go. One of its primary features is its seamless integration with KuCoin's ecosystem. This connection allows users to manage their assets in the wallet while easily transferring funds to and from the exchange. KuCoin Wallet also boasts support for staking services, enabling users to earn rewards on select cryptocurrencies directly within the app. It provides access to a variety of dApps and DeFi platforms, catering to users interested in decentralized finance and blockchain applications. The wallet emphasizes security with robust encryption, local storage of private keys, and an intuitive backup process using seed phrases. Its user-friendly interface makes it suitable for beginners, while advanced features like staking and dApp integration appeal to seasoned crypto users. Among its strengths, KuCoin Wallet is recognized for its effortless cross-platform integration and support for a wide range of assets. The staking options add value for those looking to earn passive income, and its NFT compatibility makes it versatile for collectors. However, there are some weaknesses. As a relatively new product in the crypto wallet space, KuCoin Wallet lacks support for some lesser-known blockchains, and its exclusive mobile focus might limit users seeking desktop or browser-based options. Additionally, its close ties to the KuCoin exchange may not resonate with users prioritizing complete decentralization. In conclusion, KuCoin Wallet is a strong choice for users seeking a mobile wallet with broad asset support, staking options, and seamless integration with KuCoin's exchange. It's particularly ideal for those already using KuCoin or exploring DeFi and NFTs. For more details, check the links in the description.